Well, hello everyone, welcome back to Ux Media, and welcome to another Doctor Who DVD update video. Today I purchased the new animated Lost episode of The Web of Fear. And today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you what's inside, giving you a quick detailed guide of what to expect when buying Doctor Who DVDs. So it comes with a slipcover. You can take this off if you like. I prefer to generally, because most of them don't even come with a slipcover anyway, and it's nice to have them nice and uniform. I've got some animated ones here, such as the Macro Terror, the Faceless ones, and the Fury from the Deep, which I've all taken the slipcovers off. So yep, here they all are. And this one can be taken off if you like, which I will keep just to have nice, but I will be having this just as a DVD, just to be all uniform with the other ones. Okay, all I need to do is take off this plastic sealing and we'll have a DVD to unbox, and I'll show you what to expect. So here's the actual DVD here. If we just crack this open for it, we can take a look at the inside. So here we have some slip covers. One is for the actual story itself. There's a special Doctor Who booklet. Oh. So we'll say a time fracture and an escape room thing. Oh, myth makers. Okay, I don't know what that is. On vinyl. So that's very good. And some Target novels. Got some action figures. So yeah, they're really doing a lot of great advertising inside. There's the first disc here, which is the all surviving episodes, and then the animated episode 3 in black and white. Then we have the animated episode 3 in colour. So all episodes are missing except for episode 3. With the other ones, they were all animated, but apparently on this one they just animated episode 3, which makes sense, I suppose. Hello, this is me while editing. I just want to correct something I said while filming this video. I said that every episode was missing except for episode 3. I just want to correct that and say episode 3 is the only one that's missing. That's why it's animated. I don't know why I said that, but anyway, just carry on watching. Thanks. But you have the opportunity between black and white, which it was originally filmed in, and a colour version for more, I don't know, viewers who are more used to modern TV and film. I've got to add that these have bonus features on them as well, which is always expected from these. Another note I want to add is that the cover, the actual cover, can be turned over to look like more the classic DVDs. Like, for example, here's Genesis of the Daleks here, just a regular DVD, and you can change it from this more sort of, I don't know, this more modern cover to a sort of classic DVD cover from when they first released them, to make them look uniform in a collection, I suppose. But if you're not a collector, then you could just keep this cover. You can keep the slip on, but, you know, I like to make them look all uniform, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so when you have your cover suited to your needs, you could just take it and add it to your collection. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. And it is confirmed that next video we'll be talking about the Sony Walkman. Anyway, I'm glad to be producing videos again, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.